Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Google Chrome snap crash. Um, yeah, I saw a video from someone else that fixed it, so I'm going to show you guys how to fix it as well. For me, when I open Google Chrome, everything is fine, but yeah, if it says that crash message for you, then yeah, make sure to watch this video and that will fix it. So what we want to do is you want to select Google Chrome right here, then right click on properties, and right here you want to go to the shortcut tab, and where it says target, you want to click on the target and go to the end and press space, then paste this sort of like message or code in here. I hope I don't forget to put it into the description, but yeah, so you can copy it from there, and make sure there is a space right here, then click on apply, then click on continue. You can also go to compatibility right here and just select this right there and select the Windows version you use. For example, let's just select 8, then just click on apply, and then if you open up Google Chrome again, it should just open instead of giving you the crash. So I hope this works, and let me know in the comments if it actually worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.